We go near. Is it a private property? Eh? Is it a private property? Can we go near the river? Are you sure it's not private property? I hope we're not trespassing. I don't know. If we're trespassing, we're sorry. Or we just saw a river and we want to go check it out. It really feels like we're on private property because I can see like a mini fence there. But this river is huge. That's okay, babe. Don't go too close, please. I beg you. In Jesus' name. Amen. So it's a huge river. I don't know if you guys can see. Should I try to zoom in here? So it's so huge. This feels like a rainforest. Feels like a rainforest. What river is this? I have to find out what river this is. Well, it's beautiful. It's nice. Okay, let's just continue our walk. Enjoyed the river. It was a good discovery. So let's take a walk around this beautiful, lovely neighborhood. You guys can see what we are seeing. We're walking on the grass right now. Which way do we go? Okay, so honestly, this reminds me of my village. That's the honest truth. It reminds me, it feels like taking a walk in a village in America. It reminds me of my village with all the trees, the rainforest looking area, but houses nestled in it. And I feel like it's probably a mountain top or like a hill. Yeah, like a little mountain, and then the river is like a little valley. What do you call land that surrounds the river? Can't remember, but I know that when the land is in between the river, it's an island. But this feels like, or could it be an island? Because probably the river goes round. You never know. And this could be an island. Maybe. Who knows? But just enjoying the beautiful walk and the beautiful sunshine and the lovely, lovely path and the wonderful greenery, like really green, like green. You sure you're breathing in oxygen, like pure, clean, natural oxygen from the plants, right? It's amazing. Honestly, I never knew places like this exist here in the US. I thought everything would be modern, high-rise apartments, lush. But this is super cool, like super cool. Invisible fence. So there's an invisible fence right here. It says invisible fence. Invisible fence. Invisible fence. Oh, look, a raccoon, right? Or is it a squirrel? Maybe it's a squirrel, not a raccoon. Squirrel. Squirrel crossed the road. Alright. Squirrel crossed the road. So, whoa, see, like pure bush. Bush. Like a thick forest. Like thick forest, like the one close to the river. Thick forest. Are there houses in this place? I don't think there are houses on that side. It feels like it's still like a reserved forest area. Like reserved. This is nice. A car is coming. Move out of the way. Out of the way. Get out of the way. Out of the way. Look, another car. Thank you. Yeah, so this feels like a reserved forest. Like nothing is here, and there's no house, no buildings. I wonder what could be in the forest. I'm not about to find out. Keep walking. Just keep walking. Because I ain't about to find out what's in that forest. No way. No way. Going on a jungle adventure to see what we can see. I'm not going on any jungle adventure. I'm just taking a walk. I'm going for any jungle adventure. Just taking a cool evening walk. Oh, there's a cool house right here. Cool, nice house. Cool, nice house. So, and the wind is, beautiful, lovely wind, lovely walk. Everything looks so good. It's so nice. Okay. Oh, I can see a boat. Whoa. Somebody's got a boat. Hey, can you take me to the river with your boat? You've got a cool, nice boat. We can go on to the river and take a ride on your lovely, lovely boat. 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 Oh, these flowers are beautiful. 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 Wonderful. It is beautiful. Beautiful and wonderful. Wonderful when we look at all that He has made for us. That it is beautiful. It is wonderful when we look at all that He has made for us. Say, it is beautiful. It is wonderful. And when we look at all that He has made for us, said it is beautiful and it's wonderful. The trees, the birds, the wind, the water. It is beautiful. It is wonderful. The trees, the birds, the wind, the water. It is beautiful. It is wonderful when we look at all that He has made for us. Say it is beautiful. It is wonderful when we look at all that He has made for us. Say it is beautiful and it is wonderful to me. So wonderful to me. It is wonderful to me. This feels like a path to someone's house. Yeah, someone's compound. Honestly, it reminds me of my village. Because this is like the path that leads to our houses in the village. Like you just see a path in the bush. And at the end of that path, somebody's house. Somebody's house. This is amazing. Amazing. It's beautiful. They're so nice. Like everybody that has driven past, they just say hello, just wave and say hi. They're so nice. And they're elderly people, but they say hi to you. That's nice. That's beautiful. That's wonderful. It's wonderful. I'm just wondering, during fall, will all this greenery disappear? Like, oh, see, this person has chickens. Chickens. Whoa. That's chickens. That's nice. I like that. I like that. You grow your own food and get your own protein. That's super, super nice. Whoa. I like it. I like it. I love it. Get your eggs, your chicken meat from the back of your house. It's nice. See why I said it reminds me of my village. Of having an obubo if you're Igbo, or a shamba if you're Kenyan. That's what it is. And if you don't understand Igbo or Kenya, it means a little garden around your house. Whoa. It looks like we're back to the riverfront. Oh, there's a plane flying across. I can see the river again from here. So you see, most likely we're on an island. Whoa, that's why it's so green here. Because of the river. So green. Yeah. So I guess this river is gonna really make the trees still green even during fall. Because remember what the Bible says about the tree planted by the rivers. Its leaves does not wither. So this is a good example of that. I guess all the trees around here will still be green even in fall. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Like, beautiful. So I see the river like all the way up there. I don't want to go too close because I see there are people's houses there and I don't want to go into private property. But I can see the river, so that kind of tells me that we are probably, most likely, on an island. An island in America. I'm on an island in America. An island in America. And I do my dance. I do my dance. I did a funny little dance. This is nice. It's beautiful. It's pretty. Can we go around or we should just... Looks like we've gotten to the end of this road. So let's just head all the way back. You can see the river again. Yeah, that's the river. The river. That's so nice. So nice. Oh, did I capture it? Are you sure I did? Oh, yes, I did. I got the river. I got the river for you guys. And it is beautiful. So, just enjoying the walk. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed taking this beautiful evening walk with you guys. I enjoyed the river. I enjoyed seeing the beautiful trees, the beautiful, beautiful scenery. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you love most. Tell me what you enjoyed about the video. Is it the trees? Just tell me, let me know. Or you just generally enjoyed looking at this beautiful supposed island in the United States of America. I'm super glad that you watched this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you once again. Bye. Have a beautiful day. Oh, isn't that beautiful music? Oh, can you hear that? It's beautiful. All right, guys. Bye.